I'm back for another unboxing. I received something from Janice, one of my followers on YouTube and Instagram, and she sent it to my P.O. box. And I think it arrived just a few days ago after Christmas, and all I did was cut open the top. I will insert some video here of what little Miss Lila Bell and little Mr. Seamus were doing while I was trying to start this unboxing. So, I'm trying to film, and look who we have here. Little Miss Lila Bell. Lila Bell. And then down here, we got Mr. Seamus. Seamus Declan. Rush Willingham. Lila Bell. Rush Willingham. So, whoops. I'm received something from, oh, she got the washi. Oh no, I'll be right back. Aren't they cute? So, let's take a look at what she sent. And I feel some things. Oh my goodness. What is all this? Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's like a little coin purse. And it has like a key ring. Or maybe it's to hold your, I don't know. That's very cool. Well, John, read the tab. Keychain. Oh, it's a keychain with a little pocket. Okay, very cool. It's a really pretty black. What is this? Merry and bright. Oh, it's a very cute notepad. And we actually sometimes do put up a Hanukkah tree, and we tend to make it like snowflakes and Star of Davids and stuff like that. Very cute. Very cute. Happy planner. This is a how do you take this off? Oh, I see. Like this. You can hear Lila. I have a feeling we're gonna have to get her fixed sooner rather than later. Maybe I could have just popped that off. Oh, that's so cute. It's a happy planner, like a Mambi, but it's like a little notepad, little note set. Lila. Brown. That's a cute little note set. What does it say? Keep it together. I'm doing a horrible job of showing this. She's a little annoying today. But she's scheduled to get snipped this week, so it's a good thing. That's so cute. What's it say on the back? Oh, it's just that pretty blue. Or purple. John, your colors. That is so cute. A little to-go notebook. I like. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, there's something in the card. And there's, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at the little snowman driving the truck. Kris Kringle, that's cute. This actually would be really good for watercolors, but what's in here? Oh my goodness. Look at these pens. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. So this one has the treble clef symbol on it. Look at all these beautiful beads. Oh, this one's got like a little flute style piccolo on it. And then this green one has a triplet. Triplet eighth notes. Those are gorgeous. Did you make these? They are just beautiful. How do you... Ah, there you go. And they look like ballpoint pens. So this is the blue one with the treble clef. And here, I'll do a quick little tutorial to show you how to draw a treble clef. So normally a music staff, unless it's Renaissance music, if it's anything post-Renaissance, anything, 1600 or later, or actually probably the late 1500s as well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So we'll draw lightly. So in order to make this, it's called a G clef because it's actually in script. It's a fancy G that circles this second line from the bottom, which is in treble clef a G. So you draw straight up, start below, go above, then you kind of cross around this line right here, which for treble clef is a D, and then you kind of circle around the G, hence it's a fancy looking G, and then you can, do something fancy there if you want. So that's a treble clef. Now oh, this has a treble clef on it too. See, right there. Is this one a, I see how they work. Is this a, I think they're all the same ink. Yeah, they're all like a blue-black. Now, in the Baroque era, this treble clef, like all music clefs, they can rotate. But there was a certain clef where it would circle around the bottom line. So you would draw up and circle around the bottom line, and that is French violin clef. And the only reason you do that is so you don't have lots of ledger lines to write. Sorry, I'm getting technical. And the children are fighting. And this beautiful silver pen. I've never seen pens like this before. They're so beautiful. But this little tin looks like it would be perfect for putting some of my favorite watercolors in. But I'm going to put you guys, behave. How did I open that? Like that? Wait, no. I think I just... Oh, okay, it's up there. Beautiful pens. And let's see what's in... Oh my goodness! I see glitter. It says, Happy Holidays. Okay, I should even check. Yeah, I'm in the screenish. Oh my goodness! A Leuchtturm style pen loop. I love these things. They are great. Oh, very cool. Some calendar stickers with tabs. Ah, I could possibly use those in my bullet journal to tab off each month. Oh, a cute little paper airplane, or an airplane paper clip, and some very cool looking pieces of ephemera. Very cool. And they look like they're this size. They look like they are the size of... Is that the right size? Yeah. I don't have I only have one other thing that is like arc or ring system like this. And I don't have the hole punch. And I've thought of getting a tool planner because they had them at our Office Depot on sale. The ones that are like the academic year, so like where half of the year is already over. And I thought of getting one, and I thought of getting the arc punch because I really like the idea or look of that for notes. Oh, that's what it was. It was upside down. So there are those. Oh, that's probably too many to put in at one time. So, I mean, because it's just like the ring system, or the ring system, except they are, you know, where some people cut the little. Very cool. It goes in like that. That is so cute. Just a little on-the-go notebook. And let me see her card. Dear John, hubby, and Lila. Seamus made an appearance today, but Lila tends to be the star of the show. I love your videos, notebooks, and planners. Here's a little something. Forgive the amateur in me. I am a hobbyist. No shop. Have a channel, but haven't made videos in a year. At Janice Journals. At Janice Journals. Have a happy, healthy 2020. Warm regards, Janice. Oh, Janice, thank you so much. That is so sweet. We will, I will link you down below. Make some videos. Post some content. You know, yes, sometimes there are negative things that people say on YouTube, even about me and my channel. But the good far outweighs the negative that happens. And this is just so very sweet and kind of you to even think of me during the holiday season. So there you are. I will link Janice down below. And if you have any questions, comments, leave a question down below. I want to ask her, how did she make these pens? I've never seen. As a musician, you know, always looking for like music trinket things for students, I've never seen any fancy pens like this before. Very cool. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.